Did you know 72% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning six figures? It's a staggering statistic that highlights a significant issue in our society. If you don't like budgeting but still want financial freedom, then stick around. So what's the deal? Why are so many people, even those with seemingly high incomes, struggling to make ends meet? How can high earners still struggle financially? First off, lifestyle inflation. This is when your spending increases as your income rises. When income goes up, spending often follows. People start buying more expensive items, thinking they can afford it. New car, bigger house, fancy dinners. Sound familiar? These are all examples of lifestyle inflation. Next, unexpected expenses hit hard. These can come out of nowhere and wreak havoc on your finances. Medical bills, car repairs, or even just a busted phone screen can drain your savings quickly. And let's not forget debt. Debt can accumulate faster than you realize, especially with high interest rates. Student loans, credit cards, they pile up fast and can become overwhelming. But here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be this way. There are steps you can take to regain control of your finances. A little budgeting, emergency savings, and smart investments can turn it all around. It might seem daunting, but small changes can make a big difference. Ready to take control of your finances? It starts with understanding where your money is going and making a plan. Subscribe now and start your personal finance journey with us. We provide tips and strategies to help you manage your money better. Let's make every dollar count. By being mindful of your spending and saving habits, you can achieve financial stability. Until next time, stay financially empowered. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Step 1. Start by tracking all your expenses for 1 week. Write down every dollar you spend to get a real look at your habits. Step 2. Set up an emergency fund. Aim to save at least $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. Step 3. Consider smart investments. Even small amounts can grow over time with the right strategy. Step 4. Create a budget plan. Allocate your income towards necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. By following these steps, you can regain control of your finances and work towards financial freedom.